Hello, I'm Jim Adams, Horticulture Manager here at the U.S. Botanic Garden. People who know us are most familiar with the extraordinary plant collections and beautiful educational displays housed here at our conservatory and outdoor gardens at the foot of the U.S. Capitol. That brings us to this site, 6 miles away, where a large part of the work happens to support our public-facing displays. Let's go take a look inside. Here in these greenhouses is where we grow the majority of our plant collections that support the displays in our conservatory and gardens and grounds. Like the plants growing in this greenhouse here, that will eventually make their way into the tropics up at the conservatory. In this greenhouse, we grow a lot of our taller plants. Most of them, the trees that we grow for our economic collection, such as bananas and coffee, mangoes, and citrus. In this house, we grow plants that are native to Hawaii. Many of these will make their way to the conservatory to be grown and displayed in the Hawaii house. Also in this house, we grow our bromeliad collection. The bromeliads here will make their way to different areas of the conservatory, such as plant adaptations, the tropics, and as supplemental plantings in the orchid display house. Here at the production facility, we also have a few houses dedicated to growing plants for our exhibits and displays. Here, we grow out plants to judge their worthiness and see how they might look or hold up in a particular display. And then we will propagate them so that we will have enough to complement whatever display we have. Here is another house that we grow plants that are grown to be used in our special exhibits and displays. Also, we grow stock plants so that we have them to take cuttings and propagate plants to grow in our outdoor gardens for the summer. This house runs a little warmer than the last one you just saw to grow those things that need a little extra heat. Also here at the production facility is where we propagate and grow the plants for our outdoor hardy collections. As well as the carnivorous plants that we grow uptown and also feature in our Discovery Cart program back at the conservatory. These are always a really fun group of plants to teach people about. Thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy learning more about the production facility at the U.S. Botanic Garden more and the programs that we have in the week ahead. I hope you enjoy them. I hope you learn something. And most of all, I hope to see you all back at our garden very soon. In the meantime, stay safe and enjoy the plants. Take care.